Hey everybody, Bo here. A little update on Rolling Thunder cargo trailer camper conversion, my office cabin on wheels. Anyway, hey, we got the kitchen roughed in and the stoves in, the sink and the faucet. I got the pump mounted down below. This AC panel over here I have to move down. I'm going to put a shelf in the middle. There'll be a face plate on here so you won't be able to access, but through here there'll be shelves that you'll be able to access, and then maybe a couch in front of it. And then here is going to be a pull-out garbage can with access to be able to put the water in there. And then over here will be a door with a drawer for silverware and pots and pans. And then above, I got to make a cabinet, the microwave, and a little storage, and the stereo, and I got the stereo wires kind of wired in. Next is going to be wiring this whole thing up, and then foaming the ceiling, doing the ceiling with some birch wood, thin plywood, and then I can finish the barnwood balances and shelves and stuff. But did get a counter in the back, and I'm gonna have a pull out from the other side when it's open that'll be lower, so you can sit here and look out. There'll be shelves on each side and cabinets above, so that's far from done, but I wanted to get it rough in. So now I'll run the wires and let everything hang until I get the ceiling in. And then of course I'm happy with this. This is the flip up table unit. Pretty easy to build. I mean, I'm a rookie. It's not like fine furniture or anything, but everything's rustic because that's kind of the way my stuff looks anyway, so that's alright. But I hope this has given you some ideas, and we are enjoying doing it, and it's so much fun to custom it the way you want it. Oh, and then under the bed, I lowered the bed, so that's kind of cool. The bed's a little bit lower, and the porta potty pulls out from underneath there, and I think all the heights are right now. So there you have it. And then here's my little Woody. That was my son's from Toy Story, and I always kept it in the pop-up. And now he's making it to the cabin on wheels, Rolling Thunder. I gotta have Woody. So there you have it. There's your update. Gotta get this ceiling done and wiring done. That's next, and I'm not looking forward to drilling a hole for the solar and the 30 amp hookup. And let's see, cable. I gotta put 3 outlets on the. It's going to go over there, and then we'll move that panel down, put a shelf above it, and then wire everything through the center or behind the stove. It's going to go up, and I think I'm going to put the DC panel up here with the controller, and then the batteries. Had them under the bed. I think I'm going to move them in the back underneath that counter back there. That way they're not under the bed. I'm going to put them in some boxes, some battery boxes. And there you have it. Well, if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. Thanks for following along. Hope you're working on some sort of project that this might be giving you some ideas. So if you have any comments, feel free to leave them. Any questions? And away we go to the next update. So this is Bo. We'll talk to you next time.